As females, we actually dig a
हाँ
partner who would burn the world for us.
हाँ हाँ.
Uh, but I also don't want that person to slap the shit out of me in public. This is also a red flag we ignore. Ki within 1 week they have decided, oh, you are different. Within 1 week he twice said I love you, and I flag. मतलब मैंने उसको तभी टोका कि don't say words that you do not mean, and he took it to his ego. So I was very proud of the fact he actually called him out on it. But we also romanticize this when within 1 week and 2 weeks they are like, no, I'm very serious about you. You are the love of my life. Jabki the words and the actions are not consistent with that. This is such a green flag, but it's bare minimum.
Possessiveness is very, it's actually a very red flag. Sonu, what is the worst date that you've ever been at?
I think the worst date I've ever been at is I went on a date with this guy, and everything was okay, decent enough. We realized we are not on the same page because I am still dating to marry, and he said no, okay, we are not on the same page, and I respected that. But end of the day, I will come, I'll drop you home, and then we can have coffee at your place. So I think that I tried to, not tried, I actually was very honest with him that, I'm not taking you home, and I don't know, I'm not interested in what you're
Seeking.
expecting or seeking out of me. But he was like, no, 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 I don't expect anything. We'll just see where this goes. And then he literally came to drop me off, and he was below my apartment, and he was parking his car, and I was like, I'm not taking you home. I'm being very serious. I'm not taking you home, and we both know we are not on the same page. So this doesn't make sense. He's like, no, no, I'm just gonna hug you, and then instead of hugging me, he made a move, and I had to push him off. So I think
That was
worst
devastating.
date ever.
Boundary समझ नहीं आई बंदे को.
Exactly, like why? And it's not like I was giving hints. I was being very honest, and I said no, and yet they don't respect that. He did not respect that no. Uh,
I've not had a worst date. I mean, like, not a date per se, but so there was this guy. I was in college. There was this guy who liked me. I think I kind of liked him. I'm not really sure. But ऐसे एक बार कॉलेज में we were just talking and he said something जहाँ पे कि अगर लोग alcohol पीते हैं तो that means like he started judging them based on his character and something like that, and then I'm like, I mean, so what, I drink or something like that. He's like, मेरे को तो लगा था कि मैं तुझे सुधार. I said something in the lines like, so what, I think like even my parents are okay with it and they drink or something like that. एंड ही वॉज लाइक, ओ शिट, मुझे तो लगा था कि तू बस तेरी ही ये दिक्कत है, तेरे को तो मैं सुधार देता, पर तेरा तो पूरा खानदान ऐसा है. एंड दैट फॉर मी इज लाइक, क्या है ये. सो फॉर मी इट इज लाइक पीपल कैन बी ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप एंड यू डोंट अग्री टू इट, बट देन डोंट डिसरिस्पेक्ट पीपल इस हिसाब से. सो दैट वॉज फॉर मी लाइक द वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस पर से विद अ पर्सन जहाँ पे उसको लगा कि लाइक वही वो वाली माइंडसेट कि आप अल्कोहल पीते हो, आप ऐसे कपड़े पहनते हो, तो यू स्टार्ट जजिंग समबडीज कैरेक्टर एंड दैट वाज जस्ट ऑफ पुटिंग. सो दैट वाज लाइक माय worst experience ever. But yeah, subtle red flags that we ignore.
God, so many. Like we could put an entire episode on this itself. But I think the first one is where instead of getting reassurances, we get comments like you're overthinking, you're too sensitive, and don't put so much thoughts into it. For example, I had this. A friend, we were friends for 10 years, and then suddenly we stopped talking, and I used to have these recurring, you could call it dreams or night terrors, and I used to physically I used to wake up in tears. And I was at the time I met this guy I was dating, and I told him ki, this has been happening, and I think it's starting to bother me now, ki probably I need to reach out to her, or have that difficult conversation ki what happened, or understand कि get something कि हाँ at least be at peace कि at least we had a conversation of what happened and why did it happen, like why did we stop talking. But then you get a dialogue like this is very normal, you are just overthinking it. And then eventually the question comes ki, are you in that phase of your month wherein your hormones have decided to play with your mind. So that is one. Then another thing, another is I think we we let them use this as an excuse for a lot of their behavior that we weren't taught.
हाँ.
And I know कि we weren't as women we were also taught a lot of things and we were told कि certain things you are supposed to do, but it actually ends up with choice. Like we made a choice of we will change ourselves, we will be better for our partner or women in our lives. And I think men use that as an excuse कि, oh, we weren't taught, so I don't know how to do this, and they'll just go around their day. In this, I don't know, I think those are the two major red flags. And they are very subtle with it. Like they'll behave as if they haven't said anything wrong. Ki we are trying to understand, but we can't understand you, and you have to help us out. And you make this. The worst part is they'll tell us ki you make it difficult for us to understand you. Jabki we are being very candid. We are using literal layman terms to tell you that this is what is happening with us. This is how I feel. And but then because you are not able to understand, you put that blame on us ki,
Gaslighting.
exactly ki you are making it difficult for me to maintain this relationship with you.
So
Yeah.
those.
What about yours?
मेरा red flag that I ignore or I would have ignored is definitely how an individual treats people that are beneath them. And like when I
Yeah.
say beneath them in the sense like आपसे छोटे उम्र के लोगों के साथ how you are treating them,
Yeah.
or just because you are like you come from a good enough family background, how you are treating your laborers or आपके जैसे गार्ड भैया हो गए या maids हो गए या things like that, like how you are dealing people like that, delivery person and all. So I think that's something that I have realized it matters a lot to me, like just basic humanity of kindness, like be kind to anybody. एंड वो मेरे लिए ये चीज़ है कि दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू मी एज अ पर्सन. एंड आई थिंक वो अगर बाद में ऐसे निकल के आता है एंड आई रियलाइज शिट लाइक ये तो बेसिक फ्रंट एकदम बेस लेवल पे ही द वेवलेंथ इज़ नॉट मैचिंग. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ रेड फ्लैग बिकॉज आई फील you might be superior, an individual might be superior in any way. It could be money, or it could be power, or it could be whatever. I mean, it could be gender because they can feel superior based on their gender also. But it's इंसान का कैरेक्टर पता चलता है वो अपने से नीचे से लोगों के साथ कैसे बिहेव करते हैं. So I feel that is one thing which is a red flag for me, which I do kind of tend to ignore. But with time मुझे समझ आया कि ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही important है. And to be honest, ये सिर्फ not just relationships में भी, मतलब like not just like a romantic partner, or like it's not something which is with my husband, but in general also, like I that it's off-putting even when with friends. Like if I see I have a friend who's not treating somebody or who's not ready to help someone in need या वैसा कुछ करके, and that kind of boggles me down. Like कि
It does.
I don't think so I'm surrounding myself with somebody जो ऐसी चीज़ में wavelength में. One red flag that we romanticize.
He will change for us. We are special. No, but honestly, I think one of the biggest ones that we romanticize is ki we notice that he's doing something different for us, which we believe he's not doing for anybody else, and we'll romanticize. Oh, yeah, he's doing this for
I'm
me,
so
and
special.
exactly, I'm so special. Although it must be a very basic thing that he does, or it's bare minimum. But in our head we will be like we are the queens of his world
पूरा
and
महल
everything.
बना लेंगे.
Exactly. Then the other one is ki you know how sometimes we make it a big thing that oh he's very busy but he found like 5 minutes to call us and or he's spending choosing to spend time with you. But it's again it's a very basic understanding that you know if you're in a relationship, be it with um, it's just if it's in your initial stage or you know you have moved a step ahead or you're in a committed relationship, it is a choice. You know where your priorities lie, you know where the person on the priority list is, and when you have people on priority, you choose to decide you know, that you know you choose to spend time with them, and that you know I need to put as much effort, equal effort that the person is putting in. But we will romanticize ki, oh no, 5 minutes in a day, and he heard us out. He did not advise us, he did not try to fix things, and we'll be like more than happy. I sometimes feel it's like you know how we sometimes we give treats to our pets and you know they are like, oh, master of my life.
तुम ही तुम्हारे मेरे करता
Exactly.
धरता. I
We
agree.
romanticize that a
Yeah.
lot.
For me, it's possessiveness and a bit of a controlling behavior. Like जब आप स्टार्टिंग रिलेशनशिप में होते हैं ना, वो जो हनीमून फेज होता है ना, तो आपको काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. लाइक आपको गुड मॉर्निंग बोल रहे हैं, गुड नाइट बोल रहे हैं, देन इज़ लाइक क्या खाया, ये नहीं किया, ये क्यों किया, अरे ये क्यों कर रहे हो करके. इज़ लाइक नहीं प्लीज़ ऐसे कपड़े मत पहनो. लाइक यू नो लाइक देर आर पीपल वो तुम्हें देखते हैं, मैं जेलस फील कर थिंग्स लाइक दैट, एंड यू फील लाइक ओ माई गॉड देखो यू नो ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू बी वेरी केयरिंग, और आई वॉन्ट टू बी द फर्स्ट पर्सन जिससे वो बात कर रहा है, or the last person, and things like that. And you romanticize it a lot starting mein, but
Yeah.
then eventually with time it gets very complicated. I mean like it gets very that is like a sign of it, to a point jahan pe it gets very abusive, jahan pe it gets very controlling.
Yeah.
And slowly you'll realize ki you know bit by bit you are losing yourself.
Correct.
स्टार्टिंग में बहुत अच्छा
Absolutely.
लगता है, बट इवेंचुअली हो जाता है. लाइक यू रियलाइज लाइक आई सीन पीपल हु हैव चेंज्ड देमसेल्फ बिकॉज यार वो उससे पसंद नहीं आता अगर मैं ऐसे बात करती हूँ, मैं ऐसे चलती हूँ, मैं ऐसे कपड़े पहनती हूँ, या मैं ऐसी गाली देती हूँ, मैं ऐसे वर्ड्स बोलती हूँ. लाइक यू नो उसे पसंद नहीं आता ना. ही जस्ट वॉन्ट्स मी टू बी अ बेटर पर्सन. Like no babe, he just wants you. He's trying to change you and who you are as a person. So I think that's something that we romanticize a lot.
I think I have to accept that I did this a lot after, and I mean, I was influenced a lot after watching Kabir Singh, although I did not like the movie. But at the same time, I realized that as females, we actually dig a partner who would burn the world for us. But I also don't want that person to slap the shit out of me in public.
I have not seen that movie. I know it's that I have not seen
You
that
shouldn't.
movie,
You
but
shouldn't. I will never recommend that watching that movie.
पर ये चीज़ होता है लाइक आपको पहले बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ओ माय गॉड इस लड़के के पूरा मतलब लाइक उसका पूरा जीवन मेरे इर्द गिर्द है एंड ऑल ऑफ इट करके, एंड देन इवेंचुअली यू रियलाइज कि इट गेट्स वेरी सफोकेटिंग यू नो.
Very
ऐसे
suffocating,
रिलेशनशिप्स विथ टाइम इट विल गेट सफोकेटिंग. यू विल फील लाइक डूइंग समथिंग लाइक नॉर्मल कोई चीज़ करना भी तुम्हारे लिए बहुत ही स्ट्रेसफुल हो जाएगा, बिकॉज देन दैट थॉट विल बी लाइक अरे यार मैंने ये किया तो वो ऐसे बोलेगा या वो बोलेगा, एंड दैट फियर स्टार्ट्स क्रीपिंग इन, एंड नाउ यू आर सो डीप इनटू लव विद दिस पर्सन कि तुम्हारा ये चीज़ हो जाएगा कि आपको ऑफेंड भी नहीं करना है, बिकॉज यू नो कि इफ़ यू डू दैट इट्स गोइंग टू एंड अप इन अ फाइट एंड ऑल ऑफ इट. एंड अभी एट दिस पॉइंट आप इतने डिपेंडेंट हो गए हो उस इंसान पे. So it's just a recipe for disaster.
Oh, sorry, I remembered another one. There's another one wherein your partner is doing everything for you. He's he's buying groceries, he's paying the bills, and he's making sure you don't have to worry about, but you're not included in the decision making. He's just decided, oh, we need a car, I'll buy a car. It's your birthday, I'll give you this. But at the same time, there's not even a conversation ki what would you like to do, or it's basically both of our houses, and I'm not saying ki I'll make the decision or you alone make the decision, but at least include me in the conversation. Probably I want a red car and you just went ahead and bought a black car and I don't like it at all, but you were like, oh, I didn't want you to worry, so I just made a decision ki now you just use this car and you don't have to worry about anything else. That is also one.
Pettiest reason you've rejected someone?
I have not, unfortunately, or fortunately, I have not. I've had a very small list of people I've rejected, but then it's not petty. None of them are petty reasons. I mean, yeah.
मेरे लिए it is body odor.
Oh yeah. I would have done that too, by the way.
It's very off-putting, and मैं वैसे ही I am very sensitive when it comes to body odor. I don't know why,
Yeah.
or very strong perfumes and things like that also. But I've rejected people because of that. Yeah, I've rejected somebody for that. What your opinion on dating apps in India?
At this point, I've given up on them. I have deleted. I had two. I was active on two, and I've deleted both of them. And I'm like, अब अगर कोई है लाइफ में गॉड, बिकॉज आई बिलीव इन शिव जी लॉर्ड, कि उन्होंने बनाया है मेरा लाइफ पार्टनर, तो या तो वो बंदा आएगा और बोलेगा कि अच्छा मैं ही हूँ, but then I'll not trust him. So it would have to be Shiv Ji himself who comes down and say कि नहीं यही है
बंदा है,
बहन,
इसी को
यही है, go ahead, do your thing. But I'll tell you, I've had recent. I mean, it's not just it's not just bad experiences. It's also like it's become like a doom scrolling, window shopping thing because. And I think a lot of women will relate because like you download the app today, you put your profile on active today, and by the end of the day you have like 500 requests, and who has the time or the patience to filter out 500 requests and figure out, okay, these are the 5 or 6 quality people that you might want to have a conversation with. It is nuts. Like, it is ridiculously time consuming and mental, very stressful. So but then I did try it out, and on and off I keep doing that. But this year I'm hoping to have that discipline inside me that no, I'm not going to find love on dating apps. So I'm not going to turn on dating apps, and I'm going to go out more, explore more places, and be more open to meeting people physically.
मैंने सिर्फ आधा आई थिंक मैंने सिर्फ कुछ महीने आई हैड यूज्ड टिंडर आई थिंक and it was all Netflix and chill, casual relationships and all of that, and like I was just like I keep telling her it was research purpose, I just wanted to see कैसा होता है dating app करके, but then I also think like maybe if I would have looked for a connection I would have looked for something more and not just something casual, but मैं 6 महीने थी I think 6 months, and I don't really like, I'm like I don't even think that I met somebody या नहीं, आई मतलब आई नो आई डिड नॉट मीट समवन, पर मैंने किसी से ज़्यादा बात भी नहीं की, हाई हेलो एंड देन दैट वुड बी लाइक छोड़ो यार, मेरे को लाइक वेरी लो पेशेंस लेवल होता था. बट आई लव डेटिंग एप्स एंड मैट्रिमोनियल साइट्स जो इंडिया में जो चल रही है, एंड उनका जिस हिसाब से ना अभी वो जो मार्केट एकदम अजीब सा हो गया है, बिकॉज आई हैव फ्रेंड्स हु आर देयर ऑन डेटिंग एप्स या फिर मैट्रिमोनियल साइट पे, और वो जो स्टोरीज बताते हैं इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरीज होती है ना, इट्स लाइक अरे अच्छा ये हो, आई एम सिपिंग टी एंड आई एम लाइक ओह वाओ, दैट्स लाइक द बेस्ट गॉसिप दैट आई गेट,
but at the same
so that
time,
is why I love those apps.
I have couple of friends who met their partners on dating apps and they got married, and I'm like, how did this work out for you? Like,
I also know
ऐसी
people.
कौन सी तुमने 16 सोमवार की मन्नत मांगी थी?
I also know people, so I know it works for some, it doesn't for somebody, but वही है मेरे लिए end of the day that's the best tea that I get from a couple of my friends. तो like sometimes मैं ऐसा करती भी कि मुझे कुछ ऐसे ही कुछ अतरंगी सुनना, I'm like ओए बता ना क्या हुआ, कुछ मैच मिला क्या, कुछ हुआ क्या, कुछ ऐसे
I know.
like just give me some crazy gossip. So
You will have so much fun listening to those stories, I'm telling you.